Welcome to JH. Let's talk about streakvade.com, a site that claims to be a Snapchat checker capable of revealing private chats, hidden photos, and friend lists. Because clearly, what the world needs right now is more ways to invade people's privacy for sport. But before you get too excited about playing digital detective, we have to ask if this site is actually legit. The first thing we noticed is that the domain was registered in November 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Apparently, these guys are operating from the future, or they're just exceptionally bad at setting up a believable scam. News sites like this are essentially the digital equivalent of a free candy van. They have no track record, no reliability, and will likely vanish the moment things get heated. When we tried navigating the site, it kept hitting us with endless redirects instead of providing clear instructions. It's like a digital maze where the only prize is a headache and a potential virus. This lack of transparency is never a good sign and usually means the site is hiding its true intentions behind a wall of confusing clicks. We also went looking for their social media presence and found absolutely nothing. No Twitter, no Instagram, not even a lonely Facebook page. Most legitimate brands actually want to engage with their users, but these guys are playing a world-class game of hide and seek. It makes you wonder how they plan to handle complaints, perhaps through telepathy? The red flags keep waving when you look for a contact or support section. There are no emails, no phone numbers, and no easy way to reach a human being. If something goes wrong, you're basically on your own, shouting into the void and hoping the void doesn't charge you for the privilege. We even checked platforms like Trustpilot for customer reviews, and again, we found a whole lot of nothing. Even the most obscure startups usually have a few disgruntled comments. But the total silence here suggests the site hasn't been tested by real users or is actively dodging public scrutiny. It's hard to trust a service that has fewer witnesses than a secret society. So is streakvade.com safe? Honestly, between the future-dated domain, the suspicious redirects, and the total lack of contact info, it looks about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine. There are simply too many red flags to trust this for any kind of Snapchat service. If you're thinking about using it, you might want to think twice, or maybe 3 times just to be safe. It's always better to stick to well-known, verified tools rather than handing your data over to a ghost. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tips, and honest reviews that actually live in the current year.